Hi, my name is Jacqueline, but I go by Jacqify. As day one of my Entre Nation 90-day challenge, I want to take this chance to introduce my channel to you and highlight what my goal is for Jacqify's World, what to expect from Jacqify's World, and what to expect the next 90 days. Or maybe is it 89 or 90? Jacqify's World is a resource hub for high school seniors, college students who have undecided majors, college seniors, and college graduates who are looking at either prospective majors or prospective career paths. My goal for the channel is to help these transitioning students, whether it's high school to college or college to the work life, help the students know what to expect as they get into these majors, as they get into these career paths. I believe learning what to expect or what your future job looks like helps you really focus your energy and actually motivates you to achieve that goal. So how exactly do I plan on doing this? Every Monday, I will interview a real life professional in a specific career. And they will share what they do, what their job entails, what does a day in the life look like, what are some of the pros and cons, what are some of the things that you did not expect going into this career, what are some of the things that they absolutely love about their career, and what are some of the best skills to have so that students like yourself can start building and developing these skills now while you're still in high school or while you're still in college. For the next 90 days, I will be highlighting a college major. I will be starting with my alma mater, which is the College of Natural Sciences. So obviously the first video tomorrow will be biochemistry and molecular biology. I will highlight a college major and explain what it is, what it entails, what are some of the courses, what are some of the classes to expect, and also have a snippet of what are some of the prospective career paths. Thank you so much for listening, and I will catch you tomorrow. Same car, different outfit, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good